Hey, what's up everybody? I wanted to do a video on packing and shipping for a small business. When I started out my small business, I've looked at videos on YouTube that really helped me and helped me go for better options, cheaper options to further my dream, and to have it concise in a video drawn out is perfect. And to know what you need to know about what you need and not spending on stuff you don't need that's going to cost you extra money in the end is beautiful. Now this is about packing and shipping, so we're going to start out with our poly mailers, our bubble mailers. Now our poly mailers do range from size 10 to 13, 6 to 12, 14.5 to 19 inches. Now a bubble mailer does range in the sizes as well. You can get both of these either on Amazon or any small businesses who offer this, and I have bought from the small businesses before, and it was just beautiful poly mailers that kind of just added a extra creativity to it, an extra incentive, and an extra personality to it, to a business. I'm going to link some of them down below, which I found out. Let me know if you have any more down in the comments. Now, I will be linking these small businesses who I have found over the years down below. Let me know if you have any more in the comments that you would like to add. We got peach mailers, poly large, pretty little mailers, and magical mailers. Their poly mailers add just an extra creativity to it, and it makes it beautiful. Like they have Halloween, Christmas, what your business represents, anything above and beyond. And I feel like that would be great to have, but if not, you can always go to Amazon and just start out with the basics and work from there. Now, let's see, I do have a 9x6 and I believe a 10x13, I may be wrong, but these you can find at any dollar store per dollar per pack of like 10 if you want to start off there. And they're just regular mailers. Now, for shipping, I use Pirate Shipping. Pirate Shipping is a website that you can put in, you can import from Etsy, you can import from Shopify. I believe you can import from many websites where you make your own website on there, and it gives out for pretty cheap shipping, pretty discounted shipping, so you don't have to pay a whole ton of amount of money towards shipping your product out, and that's pretty cool. Now what you may need for inside with your product, this is just optional. This is what you may need, is always optional. Insert cards, packy tape, sticker sheets. I mean, you can put thank you card, you can put thank you stickers on your packages. Fragile. You can have drawstring bags to put your product in, to just make it more like, oh, I got this from that place, you know. I have stickers, just pretty cheap stickers, just to give like an extra incentive about my small business. I don't have anything more. That's it. You don't really need a lot of shipping. I feel, in my opinion, just doing a lot at first is just a waste of money, because you find out what you need and what you don't need. You save money, and you can add your own creativity to anything. Don't let anybody say you can't, and you want to add free stuff in there, do it. Don't let anybody say you can't. And then that's about it. Alrighty, bye everybody. Let me know if you have any more tips down below in the comments. Let me know, and I will be linking some of those poly mailer websites in the description. Look out for those. Alright, bye everybody. like, comment, subscribe. Bye.